Welcome scalpers, Rhys.Cadaval here, ultimatescalper.com, looking at our ultimate backdoor indicator here on the 1 minute ES. Just want to go over a few things.
Order submitted.
I have the buffer tick set a few ticks off of, let's check to see exactly where I have them. I have them set at 1 tick right now. Took a few trades already today, up about 228. Just a reminder, you see the trade right here is a backdoor going right into the blue line here, and I don't like those, so I don't recommend we take those. Going right into the blue line here, very difficult. See, not good to take those. I stay away from those. Not that they won't work, because this one right into the blue line did work, but I like to take high probability trades rather than risk every single trade. Here we're quite far from the blue line. Don't mind taking a trade here, even though it's a long candle. With a long candle,
Order filled.
okay, here we go. We are in a trade here now. I have an ATM set already.
Stop filled.
Okay, if it pulls back, first I'm going to get rid of this ATM because I didn't know I had it on here. If it pulls back again
Order submitted.
to right about the line or lower, and it's on its way back up, I will drop an order in there. See, I'm not going to chase it now because I have a sell backdoor. So I'll be patient and wait
Order
for the sell
submitted.
backdoor. We are in a downtrend anyway, so
Order
this could
filled.
be a pullback. This little pullback right here where you can make money off of, and we did. And now continuing down with the downtrend,
Stop filled.
and I'll get stopped out, and I don't mind at all because now I'm up 600 bucks for the day. So big move, pullback, quick profit here, and then a continuation down move with a backdoor. Two back-to-back backdoors. Imagine that. Primarily, I tell people to start out with the 5 minute, but you can use the backdoor on the 1 minute successfully as well, especially when there's sideways chop on the 5 minute. I have no other indicators on here except for the EMA. I do have the Stoke. I'm not looking at it, bro. I'm not looking at it. I have it scrunched down. Okay, let's wait for another trade. Okay, you may ask, well, why don't you have Ultimate AI Pro up? Well, because this is Ultimate Backdoor. I have to showcase all my indicators, and this is a crowd favorite. I will I will put it with the Ultimate AI Pro, Ultimate AI, and the signals indicator as well, because it's such a great indicator. You can see there's mostly everything is a winner today except for the ones going into the blue line like I mentioned earlier. Nice trade here, 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 here. Look at it going into the blue line. It gave you trouble. Okay, you would have had to endure, but it did work. But you don't want to have to put up with trouble. Okay, we had a nice move up with no signal. Let's see if it decides to make a turn and continue with this downtrend. We do have a close above the blue line, so we may be reversing trend here to an uptrend, but I'll be ready to catch it if it falls. Okay, our line is still on the sell side of the blue line, so I would take that if it comes down here.
Order filled.
Okay, so I'm filled. I'm hoping that it comes all the way down here. Right, this area makes me nervous because we are in the blue line area. Here's that drop I was talking about. Oops, had the camera off for a second. Okay, so I got stopped out a couple of times, and as price moved back up, I took a breakout of the candle body as it broke through the candle body, as opposed to the breakout of the actual candle itself, just to get in a little earlier. Now, I don't talk about that entry much, but you can do it in certain situations where it presents itself to you. I did take the breakout of the signal candle for a little bit and got stopped out before it went back up, and then I took the body breakout. And I stopped the recording because I didn't think I was going to get right back in. Now, I should be moving my stop instead of talking
Stop filled.
because I could have got a little more out of it. But that put me over 1,000, so I'm good for the day. And those were just a few little trades um, in the last few minutes, actually, on the 1 minute ES. Now, there is a backdoor
Order
buy going
submitted.
on. But again, it's right into the blue line. So I don't really like that. And I think I'm going to just leave that be. See, this is how you avoid these little one tick wonders. Don't buy or sell right into the blue line. I mean, it's going to give you trouble. It may end up working, but it's almost just not worth it. There's so many great trades that aren't into the blue line. This is setting up to drop here.
Order canceled.
I'm not going to take it because there's no signal to show you. But if you're one of my customers and you had the silver strategy, you'd know that this is a slingshot right here, and you could take that short. Slingshot is crazy awesome trade. But I really want to nail into that point that we don't go into the blue line with a trade. Like, see, if we would have bought this, that would have turned out bad. Slingshot would have turned out nice.
Order submitted.
I mean, we're in a downtrend. Why not go with what it's already been doing? There's a backdoor right here.
Order filled.
All right, plenty of time to get my stop in and just leave it, but I just want to. I'd like it to go a little further down so I don't get stopped out so easily. But there's nothing wrong with dropping a stop in here right now, taking a little scalp and playing it safe. Nothing wrong with playing it safe. All right, now time to play it safe. Drop it in. All right, happy. Get stopped out now? Who cares? So you can successfully
Stop
trade
filled.
the 1 minute with the ultimate backdoor. Just like that. I've only been trading a few minutes here, way after the opening. I mean, we're nearing the midday here. And there you have it. This is Pacific time down here if you want to know what time it is. And I'm done for the day. Took more trades than I wanted to. Of 1664. Ultimate backdoor. I mean, you almost can't go wrong with this indicator.